What caused the small plane to crash northeast of Spirit Lake Airport? The answer reveals how a combination of factors can turn a routine flight tragic in seconds. The investigation found that the small plane experienced engine trouble just minutes before it crashed. Maintenance logs revealed that while repairs had been made recently, a critical component may have failed mid-flight. This failure likely caused a sudden loss of power, leaving the pilot with few options to safely land. Adding to the danger, weather at the time was less than ideal. Thick fog and low visibility made navigation tricky. Sudden gusts of wind reportedly buffeted the plane, making it even harder for the pilot to maintain control. These challenging weather conditions turned a manageable problem into a deadly situation. Despite the mounting difficulties, the pilot tried to stabilize the aircraft and find a safe place to land. Emergency procedures were initiated, but the combination of mechanical failure and poor weather overwhelmed even experienced skills. Sadly, the efforts were not enough to prevent the crash northeast of Spirit Lake Airport. This tragic crash northeast of Spirit Lake Airport underscores how quickly mechanical issues and weather can combine to create disaster. Understanding these factors helps improve safety and prevent future accidents. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.